Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on your Amazon Firestick TV remote. What you'll need is the remote, 2 AAA batteries. If you don't have any AAA batteries, I'll link them in the description below. And you also may need a flathead screwdriver just to help you get the batteries out. First, we're going to grab the remote here, and then we're going to flip it over to its back. And you can see there's an arrow. We're going to push towards the arrow that will release this cover. Once we have the cover off here, you're going to see 2 batteries. You will pry at one end and it should pop out. Then you should be able to freely get the second one out. Once you have those out, you'll grab your new batteries and make sure the polarity is correct. Put one in first, push it down, put the second one in, and you're good to go. Now you'll take this cover and you will slide it back on, and you have now changed the batteries in your remote. If you thought this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.